guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Michelle. Now I've been gone for a little minute, but as you can see, my skin is looking good. You know, I had to get rid of that sunburn before I thought I was putting any kind of makeup up on top of this because I didn't want to make it worse. I didn't know if I would break out more, but blah, we're back, and today I have something special, something I've never done before. This is gonna be my first mini haul video. So today we're gonna be seeing what I got from Marshalls and from Sephora. But before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be first once I upload new videos. If you don't hit that notification bell, then you might not see my videos. You might be missing out on something good. But we're gonna get straight into this haul video, so here we go. Alright, so first we're gonna go through my Marshalls bag. Now, I love Marshalls. They always be having some good stuff. But the first thing we have in our haul is this Baaackkk Pirates of the Caribbean palettes. Girls, guys, let me tell you. Now, you'll never guess how much I pay for this thing. Trying to guess? Well, you would never guess that literally I paid $3. $3. It was even $3.99, but boom, this thing was on sale. Now, the only thing that made me mad was usually there's a little cheek palette in here, you know, the highlighting palette, and it wasn't in there. And then whatever comes right here was not in here. I don't even know what it is, but I wasn't really that upset because this palette I paid $3 for. Like, hello, Marshalls, you on it. Now the next thing that I got was this Pirates of the Caribbean Baaackkk lipstick, and I believe it's like a lip gloss duo. Now this is in the shade Me Hearts, and I'm gonna open it up so you can see what kind of shade it is. Now it comes like this, and when you pull out this side, you have a lipstick. Beautiful. I'll swatch it here. It's a nice pink nudie color because it does look a little lighter off camera. And then here you have the gloss. We'll swatch the gloss as well. Let me see. Put it right next to it. Boom. Now this, again, you will never guess how much we paid for this. Look, here's the box. We paid $2.99. $2.99. $2.99. Don't you just love a good sale? This is like finds for me. Like, I be in there searching through everything. Like, oh, where's the good stuff? They even have Stila makeup. They have Pixie makeup. You just gotta catch it sometimes because people are hella rude and they be going in there messing up all the makeup for people like me and you. So the next one I got was another Pirates of the Caribbean Baaackkk lipstick and lip gloss duo. Again, this I paid $2.99 for. So both of them $2.99, girl, and I think they retail for like $24.99 originally. And this is in the shade Ahoy Matey. So boom, this is nice blue color. What? Like, let's swatch this real quick. Ooh, my bad. Shitty swatch, but that's the lipstick. Nice. Like, who doesn't love a blue color? I personally never wore blue on my lips, but I will now. And here goes the gloss. Boom. That's so pretty. Like, $2.99, girl. This is a steal. Now the next thing I got, unfortunately I threw away the box because I opened this once I first got it and I was wearing it that day. But I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and this I paid $7.99 for. Bam, in your face. $7.99, and this is in the shade Stripped. So I'm gonna do a swatch of this as well. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So soft and creamy feeling. These don't even feel that bad either, and the glosses are not even sticky that much. But Stripped, $7.99. Anastasia lip stick, liquid lip. Bam! Some makeup wipes. You know we all need these Neutrogena makeup wipes because this is A1 from day one. But look how much I paid. $3.99. Like, girl, that's a steal. But you know, I couldn't just get one. I had to get two because I believe when I do purchase them, like outside regularly in like the store, I pay like $12.99 for two. Girl, $3.99. It's a sale. Thanks, Marshalls. I appreciate you. So yeah, on to the next. And next, what I got from Marshalls, $3.99, is a Lorac lip gloss. Boom, I went in on Lorac. I was like, oh shit, what's up, Marshalls? And this is in the shade Free Spirit, and it looks like this. So pretty. Now we're gonna swatch this one. It says lip gloss, but to me this is more of a liquid lip, so I don't know what be going on with people these days. But boom, that's what it looks like. Isn't it just so pretty? Like, I think I got a couple good colors right here. $2.99, $2.99, $7.99, and what the hell? $3.99? Girl, I'm so happy with what I found. Like, there was a lot more, and I wish I would have got a lot more, but again, a lot of it was ruined, messed up. People swatch it and just leave it all nasty. Like, sometimes I would even buy something that's swatched if it wasn't that bad. But when I tell you it was bad in there, it was bad. And I was just like, damn, like, have some consideration for people who actually buy this makeup. But no, on to the next thing. We're gonna go into this little bag right here. Now, there's not much in this bag, but again, this was just a little haul that I did shopping out yesterday with my family, you know. So what we got right here was this little baby. Now, if you don't know what this is a beauty blender, but they just released this color and it's limited edition. It's the sapphire color, and I had to have one of these. I was like, oh shoot, blue, what? I already own the pink one, and I was like, oh, I need this blue one. But you know, since it was limited edition, your girl had to go and buy two. So now we have a beauty blender for life. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my old beauty blender, and comment down below and let me know if you even want to see this video. But I'm gonna do like that video where people cut open their old musty beauty blenders, you know. Let's see what's inside. Maybe there's some bugs, maybe there's some freaking some nasty stuff. But let me know if you want to see that. Now next, what we got, and this is our last item. This is a mini haul, sorry guys, but you know, I ain't got that much money. But we have here the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter from the Beach Please collection, and this is in the shade Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Now there's another one that I want. I believe it's like poolside 7-day weekend. I want that one, and I will try to get that one, hopefully. But bam, look at this, she's so pretty. This was just one I couldn't pass up. I was just like, damn, Bree, I had to do that. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Boom. Wow, that's pretty. Now wait till I'm highlighted. Now we're gonna go on with Sangria Sunset, I believe. Yep. And it's this nice color right there. And bam. Ooh. I'm so happy. Like, these swatches came out hella good this time. My last swatches were shitty. But yes, this is my last product. And I, of course, paid full price because this was in Sephora. Marshall's is the way to go if you want to find some finds up in there. But yeah, I think I got some pretty good stuff. I was extremely happy, and I think that my favorite item out of the whole haul was this Lorac palette. I mean, yeah, disappointing I didn't get the cheek palette or whatever the hell came in the front, but I was extremely happy. And like, I wanted this palette when it first came out, and I just didn't pay no mind to it because there was other things that I really wanted, and I just let time go by and I never got my hands on it, and boom, what you know about this? I believe online it's still like almost 30 bucks, so your girl paid $3. But I hope you guys enjoyed my mini haul. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like my content and join my family. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you for the next video, guys. Peace.